We got a call from a customer who was looking to see how they could adapt their current outlet that they have for the electric oven into a gas oven that uses a standard household 125 volt power outlet. Most electric stoves and ranges use a NEMA 1450 plug. This 50 amp outlet is capable of powering both 125 and 250 volts. On the other hand, gas stoves use a standard NEMA 515 plug. If you're looking to make this switch from an electric to a gas stove as well, then we have just the adapters to make it happen. Of course, in order to convert your electric stove to a gas stove setup is to have a range and a home with a gas hookup. Besides having a gas hookup, in order to convert your range outlet to a NEMA 515 outlet, you would need one of our 1450-520 adapters. Two simple solutions would be the AD 1450-520 or the S1450-CB520. If you think you would need more outlets in the general area, you could use something like our S1450-CBF520, S1450-F520-018, or our S1450 PDU. These are our PDU outlet boxes. It comes with different NEMA configurations for the plug. We just released this new PDU outlet box, the PB1450 PDU. It features a piggyback plug in case you were in a situation where you did not want to plug and unplug something else into the same outlet. We have all these adapters linked below. We hope with this, you're able to safely make the transition from an electric to gas stove. If you have any questions about adapting your current outlets for new appliances, leave a comment below and subscribe to our channel for more AC Works power tips. Thanks for watching.